Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Salwani and my fellow friends. Okay, during the pandemic COVID-19, Madam Salwani give me a task to do before the end of the semester. So, today I would like to present Chapter 9, Supply Chain of Management. Okay, I will explain to you about factors driving supply chain management. Supply chain management has 4 parts, which is visibility, consumer behavior, competition and speed. But I will explain 2 or 4 supply chain management, which is visibility and the consumer behavior. In the visibility, more visible model of different way to do things in the supply chain have emerged. High visibility in the supply chain is changing the industry. But in the visibility, we have 2 parts, supply chain visibility and bullwhip effect. Supply chain visibility is the ability to view all areas up and down the supply chain. At the bullwhip effect occurs when the distorted product demand information passes from the one entity to the next throughout the supply. In this era, the organization can use technology software that help them to integrate upstream and downstream with both customer and suppliers. Okay, what is bullwhip effect? Bullwhip effect occurs when distorted product demand information passes from the one entity to the next throughout the supply chain. Maybe all of you don't know what is bullwhip effect, so I took the alternative to choose one example to explain to you, such as medicine. The need for medicine is constant. It does not increase during Hari Raya or as the summer. Medicine all demand in all year long. The number of patients determine medicine demand, and the number is constant. Right, we move to next. Retailer order medicine from the distributor when their inventory level falls down below a certain level. They might order a few extra just to be safe, and then distributor orders then the distributor order medicine from the manufacturers when their inventory level falls down below a certain level. They might order a few. Eventually, the 1 or 2 boxes ordered from a few retailers become 1,000 boxes in the manufacturer. This is the bullwhip effect. Okay, we move to consumer behavior. Companies can respond faster and more effectively to the consumer demand through the supply chain enhances. This is because the customer can make the business is different compete. This is because if the company don't meet their customers' expectation, the customer will move to the other company which is meet their expectation. They are more demanding because they have information readily available and they know what they want. Demand planning software is generate demand forecast using statistical tools and forecasting technique for the demand and supply. Move to the next task, supply chain management for the H&M company. So this shirt I bought from the H&M. What is H&M? H&M is a Swedish multinational clothing retail company known for its fast fashion clothing for the men, women, teenagers and children. But nowadays, this brand popular among the teenagers around 17 to the 28 years. H&M is offering trendy styles with rapid turnaround. So, what is the technique H&M use for the supply chain management? H&M supply chain manager may be more likely to select suppliers in the countries with lower degrees of human being, such as Ghana. Maybe the H&M want to provide a job or opportunity for the Ghana resident, and this will increase the economy of Ghana. Next, the H&M supply chain manager may set a higher level of inventory in a country with a higher human well-being, such as Chile. Maybe the resident of Chile able to buy a H&M product. Okay. The H&M CEO may consider the degree of human well-being and economic well-being instead of environmental well-being when launching the online shopping channel in a specific country. Specific country because the able of the customer to buy a H&M product through the online, such as using a laptop or phone. And then for the e-store is linked to the global ERP system, which is the system delivering information to warehouse production officers, suppliers, for allows forecasting and quick reaction to new trend and avoid overstocking. This system is very efficient because this technology won't avoid the overstocking. And then 20 production offered around the world and ensure that the goods are delivered on time, enforced fair labor standard at supplier factories, and choose the right suppliers. Okay, I want to share a pro tips. Customer can hand an unwanted clothes and recycle it. The customer can get a discount almost 20% for the next purchases. So we are at the end of the presentation. I hope you guys enjoy watching my presentation. So before I leave, I want to give a reminder to all of you. Just stay at home. Don't forget to wash your hands and selamat hari raya. Okay, bye.